How to stop auto update in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop auto update in Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, click on the start menu, and after that you can just click on settings to open the settings on your computer. And now here, once you're inside the settings, just look at the left hand side, and there you can just click on the Windows update. And now here in this section, you can just click on this option that says pause update. So here just click on it, and now here you can simply click on this option, and from the downward menu you can simply select the time for which you want to pause the auto update to. So here I'll be selecting the 5 weeks. So here you can simply click on it, and with that you can also click on advanced option, and there you can turn off options like receive updates for other Microsoft product. And with that you can also go back to the network and internet section too, and there you can simply select your Wi-Fi network, and there you can simply click on the metered connection, and there you can help to limit the automatic updates in this section as well. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.